ask me how we end up in the backseat, just trying to get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep while we doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. But they gon'
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it's She's Your Fave, and in today's video, as you can see from the title, we'll be working with Megalook hair. I love the quality of these units, and in today's video I'm just going to show you how I do my quick and easy glueless install, as well as how I get my curls to look like this, the products I use, and all that good stuff. Today I decided to go with no baby hairs, but before I jump into today's video, this unit is actually their 20-inch body wave 200 density 13x4 HD lace frontal wig. I'm living for the lace, like I love it here. It's melted into place, and I show you all how to do that. So if you'd like to purchase this unit, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. And let's jump into today's tutorial.
Then dip me underway. You can feel my mind for flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby.
Yeah. Shut it. I know what you need. I got everything you need. I promise I ain't gonna hold out, nigga. I'm gonna give it all to you, baby. Swear to
So I'm finally finished, and this is what the hair is looking like. This unit is from Megalook hair, and it is in 20 inches, 200 density, and it is a body wave wig. The 13x4 HD lace frontal. Lately I've been feeling no baby hairs, and it's just giving. The unit is glueless, so you literally do not have to use glue to achieve this. I just go in with my Ebon lace bond, spray it down, tie it down for about 15 minutes, and trust me, that does the trick. The longer you have the lace melt band on, it's very self-explanatory, the better the lace will look. So far so good. This hair is actually really nice and soft, and using this T3 iron, you guys already know, like when you take a look at this iron, you could see the burn marks. That's because this iron gets super duper hot, and usually when the hair is made up of synthetic fibers, it'll burn, but this hair, it stayed in place, no hairs came off on it, so that is a very good look. So you're getting real quality hair, and that is pretty much it. So if you'd like to purchase this unit, which I would highly recommend, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. And as always, I'll see you all in my next one. Bye babes.